Welcome to our kitchen. Imagine this, 2 pounds of your favorite potatoes, either russet or Yukon Gold, meticulously peeled and diced to pristine perfection. Now immerse them in a pot filled with salted water and let it boil until they turn tender, a process that should ideally take around 15 to 20 minutes. Once they've achieved the perfect tenderness, drain them, and place them back into their original pot. Now you're in for the fun part. Add half a cup of milk and 4 tablespoons of butter into the pot containing the potatoes. Witness as the butter beautifully melts and merges with the milk, creating a rich and creamy base for your potatoes. Now it's time for the mashing. Grab your potato masher or fork and press down on the potatoes until they transform into and creamy texture. Don't hesitate. It's all part of the delightful process. As you near completion, don't forget to season your masterpiece. Incorporate salt and pepper according to your taste. And voila! You've created the perfect mashed potatoes. Serve them hot as a side dish to complement your favorite comfort food meals. Mashed potatoes, a simplistic yet adaptable dish, ready to be served in just 30 minutes or less. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember, the secret ingredient in every great recipe is the love you pour into it. If you enjoyed today's video, do subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes and culinary inspiration. Until we meet again, happy cooking and bon appetit short.